We're here in the Ocker House showroom. We're going to show you quickly how to adjust a Rationel entrance door from left and right. So on the hinges inside the door, we've got some adjustment here, which is a process of releasing the factory screws with a T20 Torx and then adjusting grub screws with a 3mm Allen key. So we can loosen with the Torx. And that gives us the ability to use the Allen key on the grub screws to push and pull the door leaf left and right. And then we retighten the Torx screws. So if we were to adjust the top hinge in one direction and the bottom hinge in the other direction, we can make the door twist left and right.